All right, everybody, hang on tight. It's gonna be a quick test drive. We're doing a little hot lap here. Super cool Firebird, man. 537 under the hood. That's cubic inches. 785 horsepower dyno tune, dad. I mean, this thing is just an absolute street beast. It's set up for like road and track, but it can literally do it all. Detroit speed, pretty much. Suspension front to back, and man, got the Quadrolink out back. It's got the whole front subframe. It's rack and pinion steering, everything about it. This thing is all tricked out. Did I say dyno tune at 785 horsepower? I mean, holy cow. Plenty to handle. Got the little roll cage there. Tremix Magnum 6-speed manual transmission. Let's see what she's got. All right, just like that, up to speed, no problem. Wow, yeah, she's got plenty too. Kind of got a little squirrely going in a second there, but it did kind of roll out nice at first. Got the mini tubs. Yeah, pretty cool car. Oh, and did I mention that was with the air conditioning on right there as well. Lots of other cool kind of creature comforts over here. Got the power windows on the side. We got power mirrors, power dual side mirrors, which of course we never see in cars like this. Just listen to that exhaust one more time. Holy cow. What else we got? Oh, we got ultra leather wrap. These are Cirillo. Don't execute me for saying the name wrong. I believe it's Cirillo race seats here. 5-point harnesses. The seats are wrapped in ultra leather, which is super, super soft. Same material on the door panels and on the center console. Mile-long center console going all the way between the rear seats. Got your Hurst shifter up here. Auto meter, carbon fiber, ultralight gauges, custom panel, clear across the board there. I mean, this is literally, you could do whatever you want to in this car. You can hit the track at Road America, or you can take the kids out for ice cream. It's just, it's got the best of everything. Top quality build, absolutely awesome car. Come out and test drive it if you'd like. You're more than welcome to do so. You're absolutely gonna love it. Check out all the pictures, details, and description on volocars.com.